Let's see how to add dotted lines and dashes in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, to insert dotted or dashed lines, first we have to insert our basic line. And to do that, we can head on over to the Insert tab. Now, click on Shapes. And right here, under lines, you can choose your line. So let's just choose the basic line. And once you place it in your document, you'll open this Shape Format tab, where you can format your shape or your line. So for example, if you want to change our line into a dotted line, we can click Shape Outline. And right here, under dashes, we can select a dotted version or a dashed line. Let's go and click that. And you'll see, once we zoom in, that our line is now in a dashed form. And that is how you insert a dotted or a dashed line in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.